For 100 years, EcoWater has been transforming the way people get great, healthy water. And they're just getting started. Founded in 1925, EcoWater has been on the forefront of water technology, making water better for millions of people worldwide. In a world where water quality is more important than ever before, how we understand how water affects the body, EcoWater's century-long dedication to manufacturing high-quality products and being on the forefront of new technology is shaping the future for Americans. So, why should we use EcoWater? You know, we just got done saying that it's over 100 years old. Yes, a celebration occurred. I actually went to their 100-year anniversary celebration, and it was a really great time. Why? Because they actually brought products in from all over the world. They brought people from all over the world, whether it's China or Europe. They all came together, and we learned a great deal about the innovation that EcoWater has worldwide. Whether it's China or Europe, there's products that are just truly amazing out there, and they're bringing that technology back together and actually going to shape the future of America's water filtration even more. So EcoWater, some people may not really understand who they are. Right now, you know, it's a company that was founded years ago, and that company's originally, just like all other companies, got started just softening water. Basically, it's like this right over here, a water softener. Basically, taking the rock off the water droplet so that people could have softer water. But as time went on, EcoWater decided to get more involved in filtration and water purification and getting water so that it's more healthy for you and for me, right? So it was a really great thing. So EcoWater has more patents than any other company in the water treatment industry. In fact, they're the largest manufacturer in the world. Yes, in the world. That's like something that I learned while I was there. I mean, I had no idea the amount of products that they have in China and the amount of products they have in India and also obviously in Europe. So those products that they had, that technology and that innovation they have anywhere around the world, they've brought to America, and they've actually patented some of those and are bringing more of them into America as we speak. Now, some of the things that make EcoWater so great is, to me, they're on the forefront of trying to find out how they can actually make this water safer for you and for me. And the thing about it is, as you know, I'm passionate about making people more healthy. You know, the reason why I resonate with this company so much is because my passion is about healthcare. I used to own mail order pharmacies, got out of that because I realized drugs is not making people healthy. Actually, what makes people healthy is you investing into yourself. And how do you invest into yourself? Well, first and foremost, you are what you eat. You are what you consume, right? If you eat a banana, in 4 hours, you're that banana. If you drink a glass of water, in 4 minutes, you're that glass of water. Your cells are fueled on just the three things: food, water, and air. So how can we live a longer, more healthy life? Well, obviously, we need to improve those three things, because your cells, the trillions of cells that make us up, they are dependent on food, water, and air. And so where I had the opportunity to get into water is because as I looked at the body, it's 70% water, 65, 70% water. So that said, it seemed logical to me that we use this. Not to mention, when I went through my studies in school, what did I learn? Well, the body's one big filter, right? You're a human filter. You know, so if you don't filter your water, you become the filter. So whether it's your esophagus, whether it's your lungs, filtering out the air, whether it's your stomach, your pancreas, your liver, your kidneys, your upper and lower intestines, any of the gallbladder, any of those organs, they absorb what you've consumed and make it part of you. So that seems logical that we want to be able to consume the safest water possible. So in an industry where most products are made in China today, it's like we can take a look at what EcoWater's done, and for 100 years, they've been manufacturing their products here in America. And what do they do when they manufacture it, these guys? They make sure that they go through certification to prove that they're worthwhile. So not only are they made in America, where we can literally go in, watch what they do and say, yes, that's what it is. I can't do that with a lot of these other products. In fact, all of them I can't go do, right? I got to fly to China, if they even let me in there, and go try to find the factory that they're using right now and see whether or not I can watch them manufacture it. I mean, is it a clean environment? Is it a dirty environment? What is it? I mean, do they have ISO certification, which is a certification on the manufacturing process? So what I love about EcoWater is the fact that theirs is ISO certified and made in America. And then lastly, the reason why I resonate with them most about your health, my health, is the fact that when they make a product that makes this water more healthy for you and me, they get that NSF 44 for a water softener, 44 certification. That means it's been proven to take the rock off this water droplet. If we're looking at a reverse osmosis system, they have it NSF 58 certified. That means it's taken out the toxins. And then thanks to President Biden, like him or hate him, we have now been made aware that forever chemicals, which is what's called emerging contaminants, those and microplastics in our water supply, are a big concern. So since that's such a big concern, we want a certification from National Sanitation Foundation to prove that it takes it out. So this company sends these products to another company in America where they test to make sure that as they throw the toxins, they put toxins on the water and they throw it through the water filter, that it actually in fact takes it out. Now to me, if I'm going to go ahead and represent a company and try to sell one to you to achieve my goal, which is give you a product that makes you more healthy, well then this company seems to make it. And you know, at 100 years, it's worth celebrating them, celebrating the fact that they've made it 100 years. It's crazy that they've made it 100 years. By the way, Angel made it 50 years, right? Just last year we made 50 years. So together we have the ability to be able to sit down with you, the consumer, understand what's in your water, ask you of what's in your water, which do you want to keep in, which do you want out? Most people say take it all out, right? What's in the water? Yeah, I want it all out, Andrew. Hello. And then we're going to get you the quality water you want. That's my job as the expert. So in order to do that, once you define what's in the water, then we give you recommendations, and we like the recommendations from EcoWater. Now, as an independent dealer, we could use any product that we want, but when it comes to your family's health, your health, we love the EcoWater products. So in celebration of their 100 years, we look forward to serving you and your family. If you need anything, if you're looking for healthier water, if you're looking to make your family more healthy, if you're looking to save money, allow us to help teach you how EcoWater's water filtration family of products can actually make your family more healthy and save you money. I'm Drew. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, click like, share it with your friends and family if they're looking to make themselves more healthy, if they're looking to make their family more healthy, or if they're looking to save money. Press share, send this to them. We'd really appreciate it. Like the video too, if you don't mind, we'd really appreciate it. And as you know, my name is Drew. I'm here to serve you.